Images that I place in Illustrator can be modified to a degree depending on how they started. This is a barn owl that is actually saved in grayscale mode. The color image I can't do much with other than change its blending modes, and this is a PNG file that's saved as color. It will maintain its transparency, so it's transparent in Photoshop. Whoa, it's also very big in Photoshop. So if I zoom out, you can see how much bigger that pigeon is than the owl image. Plus, plus, plus. But you can see when I put that pigeon in front of the owl, it maintains its transparency because it is a PNG file. The Photoshop file, if it's transparent, would also maintain that transparency, but it would be a lot bigger, right? The Photoshop file is 162 megs versus 15 for the ping. As you add more images, the processing time can take really long. So while Illustrator is a really good mock-up or designing tool for posters and layering images, you do want to be mindful of the images you're using and whether they're bigger than they need to be. But this is also true in InDesign. If I replace I can choose an existing image and go to File, Place. I'm going to choose the grayscale. I'm going to maintain the fact that this is a link, and I'm going to replace it so that now I have a grayscale image. And because it was saved as a grayscale image in Photoshop, if I use the white arrow here, because it's in a clipping mask, to select that owl, I can change the color of that image. Now, a clipping mask doesn't have any color. So in InDesign, I could choose this circle and give it a fill color, and it would be the background color for this purple. But that doesn't work the same way in Illustrator. Clipping mask, if I go to Object, Clipping Mask, Release, the clipping mask, once I let go of it, regardless of what color the circle was when I made it, the color just gets wiped away. I just undid there. But I could do something like draw another circle. That's not a circle, Jeff. I could draw another circle, send it behind the owl, and then use the transparency window to control the blending mode for, that's a little much, for that owl. So I can get overlays and different color effects in Illustrator, and I can change really quickly and come up with a variety of colors for images that are saved in grayscale mode once I place them in Illustrator.